Hello there, YouTubers. This is Chris Ass returning. I know it's been a little bit of a time frame since I've been on there last, but I saw a couple videos that Smashing Stuff 09, YouTube user Smashing Stuff 09 had posted, and I thought, well, he's got some stuff, and he actually lives not too far from me, but that's a story for another day. So he had some stuff that I thought that was quite interesting, and I promised him that I would do this. So here is a early 1970s super made by Galaxy blue bladed table fan, and I'll show you how old it is by looking at the base. This is a functioning unit. Fully, even the teeth slips are there. It's not twist tied or anything like that. None of the slats are broken. Not really that yellowed. This piece is still here and it's still glued on. It's not peeling or anything like that. I paid a grand total of $10 for this, and it runs like a goddamn champ. Listen closely on high, you can hear that early 1970s Galaxy motor running. And fan collectors all across the world will know what I'm talking about when I said that. Nothing in the back is busted, it's all there. And there you have it.